Looking for the perfect place to manufacture high-quality, cost-effective apparel? Morocco is rapidly emerging as a leading hub for global fashion brands and textile manufacturers. From fast shipping to sustainable production, here's why Morocco should be on your radar. First, Morocco's strategic location offers a major advantage. Positioned just a short distance from Europe, businesses benefit from faster shipping, lower transportation costs, and seamless access to major fashion markets like France, Spain, and Italy. This means shorter lead times and the ability to keep up with ever-changing fashion trends. Beyond location, Morocco boasts a highly skilled workforce with decades of expertise in textile and garment production. Whether it's fast fashion, luxury couture, or technical apparel, Moroccan factories deliver top-tier craftsmanship at competitive prices. The country has built a strong reputation for quality, making it a go-to choice for brands looking to scale production without compromising standards. Sustainability is now a priority for brands worldwide, and Morocco is at the forefront of eco-friendly textile manufacturing. With increasing investment in organic cotton, recycled materials, and ethical production practices, Morocco allows brands to meet their sustainability goals while minimizing their carbon footprint. Many factories also follow strict environmental regulations to ensure responsible production. Adding to its sustainability efforts, Morocco is a leader in renewable energy. The country harnesses power from solar and wind energy, making apparel production more eco-conscious and cost-efficient. Lower energy costs translate to more affordable production, benefiting both manufacturers and fashion brands looking to operate sustainably. Trade policies also work in Morocco's favor. The country holds key free trade agreements with the EU, the US, and African markets, offering brands lower tariffs, fewer trade barriers, and smoother international shipping. This competitive edge helps companies expand globally with fewer financial constraints. To further attract businesses, the Moroccan government actively supports the textile sector with tax incentives, investment-friendly policies, and dedicated industrial zones designed specifically for apparel manufacturing. These benefits make it easier and more affordable for brands to set up production and scale operations efficiently. From fast turnaround times and skilled labor to green energy and strong trade agreements, Morocco offers everything apparel brands need to succeed. Looking to take your fashion brand to the next level? Morocco is the place to be. Contact us today and discover how manufacturing in Morocco can transform your business. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos.